They've been overheated, like not ran real well with the grounds.
Yeah.
I haven't really had too many issues with them being strapped. You can't really go over halfway with the gain on them.
You got a 47 and a half?
Yeah, I was just testing a minute ago. So,
oh, okay. Awesome. So what's your name? What's in here?
I'm Ray. 2 Sundown X12, 2 cab 1600 strap, they're 0.5 each.
So they ran it a half ohm each?
Yeah, half ohm each. So
okay.
It's 1 ohm, but half ohm each.
Yes, sir. Okay.
CS 40 amp hour lithium.
Okay.
And a Mmats 4-channel under the seat.
Awesome. All right. What are you tuned to?
34.
34? Okay. Is it louder door shutter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Show was crazy yesterday, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the sundown show. I felt like I didn't have enough time.
Too much.
Too much?
It was too much, man. There was so much stuff, and I was like, I need to go here, I need to go here. And then people start talking, and you're like, oh, I gotta go here now. Oh my God, man.
Yeah.
I loved it, though. It was great.
Yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed it.
Let's go. Turn these loud ass fans off.
Keeps the amps cool, though.
Yeah. I'm that controller's like temperature controlled on the fans.
Okay.
So it kind of acts up when it wants to. I'm still trying to figure that thing out.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's see.
Get your hate hands up out here, cause there's some real ass niggas in this motherfucker. Yeah, nigga, y'all know the motherfucking scope. Y'all non-snobbers, non-smokers, non-sippers. Get the fuck up out of here, bitch. Yeah, you some sipping ass, pouring up ass, smoking ass, getting high ass niggas in here 3-6. UGK nigga, we putting it down in this motherfucker. And we ain't playing with you. Y'all know the motherfucking scope, man. Now pull it up, nigga. Sipping on some Accessory.
little something for daily. Actually, yesterday I met up with Robert Moon, and we're designing a Paraflex wall for back here.
Oh, so you're gonna do one behind the seats?
Yep, behind the seats. Because I want to keep my back seat, trying to be different. You know, I like to have. I want to be a daily driver. I like to have. You know, I like the bass. I like just cruising. I like the everything, dude.
Yes, sir.
The
Awesome.
camaraderie, you can't beat it. So. Just doing a little something. I got another one of these I'm getting ready to pick up, and I'm gonna, you know, maybe do something a little bigger. But I'm not a number chaser. I'm all about just coming and hanging out, seeing everybody every year. So.
Yes, sir. All right. Appreciate the demo, man.
No problem. Appreciate you, man.
Can I see the back?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Oh yeah. Have you had any issues with the cabs at half on?
This top amp?
Yep.
I didn't do all of this, but I got it from a guy, and they've been overheated, like not ran real well with the grounds.
Yeah.
I haven't really had too many issues with them being strapped. You can't really go over halfway with the gain on them.
Yeah.
Because they'll start clipping real bad.
Yeah.
But I've got the new ones they got coming out on the way. I've already pre-ordered it. They got 2200s.
2200s. Oh, nice. So awesome.
I'm gonna see how that's gonna go with the new wall.
Okay.
So we'll see how all of that works out too.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
You check out the other guy's CRV over there?
Not yet. I need to.
Yeah, he's got one. He's got two 18s and a 4. Two 5 18s and a 4.
Yeah, I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Appreciate the demo. Thank you.
Thank you again, man.
Yes, sir.
Nigga, y'all little motherfucking skunk, y'all non-snipers, non-smokers, non-sippers, get the fuck up out of here, bitch. Niggas some sipping ass, pouring up ass, smoking ass, getting high ass, nigga, you get 3 seats. This GK nigga, we put it down in this motherfucker. And we ain't playing with you. Y'all motherfucking skunk, now pull it up, nigga. Get off some accessory. You got the funny Geneva watch with the Ferrari key.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.